Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is now almost 6 o'clock actually, 6:12, and yeah, it's still a little bit messy here, but yeah, I actually have balikbayan boxes here. Basically, my old clothing, or yeah, those t-shirts that you gave me. I am not able to vlog these days because I am very busy. Yeah, I still don't have a place to go. Still searching for an apartment, and nobody knows yet that yeah, I am actually looking for an apartment. And we are here in Costco. Yeah, here in Costco there is a petrol station over there where you first need to swipe your Costco card and then do the self-service putting of gas. Inigo is here. He's going to shop a lot of things to bring to the Philippines to send to the different woman. And we are going to eat this just $1.99. Oh, this coffee machine, barista, yeah, just $79. And there is also this Moccona espresso coffee capsule, and it is working with an espresso machine. Nice. So I like this one. This cordless inflator. Yeah, if you remember last time I went to the petrol station to put air, yeah, on the tire of my van. And that was my very first time. It says here it inflates vehicle tires, scooter tires, sports equipment, and more. Yeah, and it's 12 volts with 12 volts and also with USB charging cord included. I actually have inflator in the van, but yeah, that one is I need to put on the battery of the car, and feels complicated for me. That one is given to me by Inigo. And they also have this Anchor portable power station. Yeah, this one is good. Also good for the vehicle. If you're going for camping, long drive, this one is very useful. Yeah, you can power your 240 volts gadgets, also USB gadgets. And this is my very first time to see this reverse umbrella. And it is actually $49. Expensive. And look at this, there is a cooler. This is just yeah, actually $84. Yeah, this is good for the car. Yeah, in the center console, if you have space in there, yeah, it's good to put there. And built-in cup holders, fits in any vehicle with USB socket. This is actually the same like my one is actually a freezer, but this one is just a warmer or a cooler. Oh, and look at this. If you want to have a discount at Fitness First, 30%, you will save 30%. Yeah, 6-month platinum membership is just $599.99. These are included. Yeah, I think this one is good. They also have this Calvin Klein underwear, both for men and women. This one for women is actually $29. Yeah, 26, 28. Even this Calvin Klein jacket, it's good, but I'm not really attracted to brands. Oh, there is this Merrell hiking shoes. Yeah, this is actually good, waterproof. And this just it's not 34, but it's 149.99. You know, just going to buy this protein. No, not really. This Ferrero Rocher box. It's actually heavy. Yeah, 600 grams, and it's $21.99. $10 peanut butter. It's heavy. It's yeah, 4 pounds, 1.81 kg. Inigo is going to buy 2. And you notice this Dole pineapple slice in juice. It is very popular in the Philippines. There is always TV commercial. Yeah, let's check where it is coming from. Pineapple manufactured by, oh yeah, manufactured by Dole Philippines Incorporated. Very nice. Yeah, so this one is made in the Philippines, produced in the Philippines. Those are frozen vegetable. You can see some potato. This Ceylon tea, I'm sure this is a Sri Lankan brand. Ceylon tea, because when I went to Sri Lanka before, oh yeah, Sri Lanka, I always read the word Ceylon. Yeah, when I went to Sri Lanka before. This is the roasted chicken. This is just $6.99. If you compare that to Coles and Woolworths, that's already $11. Yeah, the roasted chicken. Actually, when I first arrived here in Australia, the roasted chicken is just $7. There is this cooked rice, 12 by 210 grams, $22.99. Basically microwave rice. And look at this, is fun. Look at that, it's big. It's $17.99. Oh, actually this Costco here in Newcastle, they are not very busy. Only this much of people. And some of the cashier is actually, yeah, they are actually closed. But they already have the self-service checkout. Before, nothing. Okay, we're done. And yeah, we're going now. But we are actually going to put gas to the van, because the gas here is much cheaper compared to outside. Nice.
Saan ang gas na ito? Akala ko sa loob. Sa loob nga? Kailangan buksan talaga?
Oo. Ito mo yung nasaktong 40.
0 lagay mo. Enter mo lang kaya. Enter. Robbie, ito pala oh. Oh.
Pangit na.
Oh. If your tank capacity it's say 165 of fuel and you add 200, lagay mo 200, it refunds you what you don't spend. 35 in this example. They don't steal your money. Nagets mo ako?
Automatic stop din siya?
Oo.
Sige.
Ano, teka lang, magkano pa yung ganong napuno, mga magkano pa yun sa tansya mo?
40.
40? Ay, bukas ko dapat ha?
Hindi naman, okay lang ba nasa atin?
Ay, nagpauto pala ako sa'yo. Pindutin mo na yung 40 eh, no? Nasa gilid, ayun no? Ayan. O, lagay mo na yung card mo. Scan mo na. Pa-scan mo na or ano yun mo na. Ayan, pop na. Pop, Jay. Oh, charge 4721. Ayun. Alam mo na. Sige. Oh, huwag mo sarado mo rin pag may time. Baka umapaw. Gulat ka. Kakagas ko lang mataubos.
Sa Pilipinas, automatic ba talaga lahat ng gasolina humihinto? Kahit dati pa?
Tuwang ko.
Ha?
Hindi naman kami naglalagay ng gas doon yung ano eh.
Oo nga, ano. Oo nga pala, sa Pilipinas nga pala eh. And with its displays, this is
Time lapse mode.
and Inigo is going to buy a watch. The guy said he got it for $450 and he is selling it now for $250. Inigo asked for a discount and yeah, the guy gave it to him for $200. Watch like from Green Hills.
Nakikita ba?
Mechanical yun, mechanical ba yan? Di battery rin.
Hindi ba? Walang battery.
Mechanical nga. So basically the guy went to the Philippines and found it in Green Hills and yes,
Sell it to
sold
me.
it to Inigo. Charot bomba. Good morning guys. Yeah, this is one of those moments. Actually, every day of my life these days. I mean, I'm sending message to different homeowners here at Flatmates. If you know the website. Yeah, I'm browsing for a room for rent and then sending a message to the owner or to the agent at least of the room. Yeah, this is what I do. After work, I get here and I do browsing for the place that I like. It is not easy, time consuming. Another way is Facebook, and that's the reason why I do not have any videos upload in YouTube these days. Sorry about that. This time I am sending message to Haley. I have this box. I am going to bring it to my van. It is actually very heavy, but I believe I can do it myself. I'm basically putting this here on the ground for the box not to be scratches by the cement. Actually, I did not use that one. It's okay. And now it's time to put this over there. I don't know how. For sure I can do it. And now it is time for me to go to the company that is going to send this to the Philippines, and that is going to be in Wallsend. Yeah, and they have this trolley. Basically, there is a Asia Pacific groceries here in Wallsend. That's the one. Yeah, it's a big grocery, mostly Filipino products. Yeah, and the box is actually just outside. Yeah, the lady from inside said to me to just leave it there because they are going to collect all, I mean they are going to pick up that, yeah, to bring to the, yeah, to the Philippines. And in here there is a Middle Eastern grocery. And on that side there is actually Indian grocery. That is here in Wallsend. Oh, it's hot.